Hello, I'm Mihela. Shall we talk about a bird that has an unusual way of feeding? The northern shoveler. The northern shoveler, known simply in Britain as the shoveler, is a common and widespread duck. Huge spoon-shaped bill visible at a distance and in flight. It breeds in northern areas of Europe and across the Palearctic and across most of North America. Wintering in southern Europe, the Indian subcontinent, Southeast Asia, Central, the Caribbean and northern South America. It is a rare vagrant to Australia. Breeding males have dark green head, white breast and chestnut sides and belly. Females buffy brown with large distinctive bill. Forages by sifting through the water, often swimming in spirals in groups. Sees water by rapidly moving bill from side to side while swimming. This is where they get their name from. Their calls are like locally named Uthuru Sawal Seruwa. I have not seen the northern shoveler. You are likely to see this bird during winter in the north and eastern parts of Sri Lanka. But on a rare occasion, you could even see them in Colombo. We recently visited a new park in Kotte called Rampart Wetland Park. At this park, we've seen a shikra for the very first time. If you are in and around Colombo, don't forget to visit this place.